As reported by this outlet earlier today, the value of Ripple's XRP has performed so poorly over the past few years that it on March 13 th's flash rash hit almost 3-year lows, as pointed out by Brave New Coin's Josh Olszewicz. In fact, with the cryptocurrency trading at 15 cents as of the time of this article's writing, it is more than 90% below its all-time high of $3.30, established at the peak of 2017's and 2018's crypto-mania. Even since the year started, XRP has fallen by 20%, underperforming Bitcoin's relatively mild -14% performance. Despite this underperformance, a top analyst, who has been accurate in calling much of BTC's short-term moves over the past few weeks, is expecting a retracement back to the yearly lows at 12 cents. Here's why. Last week, the crypto market fared surprisingly well amid a global meltdown in markets. Despite the biggest week of losses for the S&P 500 and Dow Jones indices since the 2008 Great Recession, Bitcoin and other digital assets actually rallied, recovering more than half of the losses they incurred during the drop from $7,700 to $3,800, with BTC peaking at $7,000 on some exchanges. XRP, too, got its fair share of sun, so to speak, rallying back to $0.175 from the 12 cents low established in the flash crash. Unfortunately, over the past 2 days, the bullish momentum has gone on hiatus, with BTC falling under $6,000 and XRP returning to 15 cents. This price action, analyst Credible Crypto recently suggested, will be a precursor to a retracement back to the 12 cents lows, a point at which he intends to accumulate the cryptocurrency. As to why he sees a retracement from here, he noticed that there has been a clear rejection from an uptrend, while the recent price action has shown clear signs of establishing a short-term top at 16 cents, a resistance region. It is important to point out that XRP's directionality will primarily be dictated by Bitcoin for the foreseeable future, as altcoins, especially in times of heavy volatility, follow the market leader. This begs the question, where will BTC head next? Unfortunately, analysts have not reached a consensus on what's next for this market, namely due to the uncertainty in traditional markets. Per previous reports from NewsBTC, crypto analyst Josh Rager noted that per data from CoinMetrics, Bitcoin's correlation with the stock market, namely the S&P 500, has sustained between 0.5 to 0.6 since the price drop on March 12, suggesting any further sell-off in equities will result in a crunch in BTC prices. Cantering Clark echoed this, explaining that considering the macro backdrop of weak equities, he is pretty confident we see low $4,000s again.